What's up guys, Crypto Sniper here. In this video I will explain you the easiest strategy possible for make profit with trading without use any indicator, without use math rules and stuff, complicated stuff. I'm making you the easiest strategy and the easiest way that I also used as a beginner in the first years that I started to do trading. So before I explain you the strategy, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and smash the like button for new video of amazing strategies like this. So let's go ahead. First of all, for trade, this is trading view, but the exchange where we will gonna place our trade is it Bybit, and you will find in the link below in my description, and you can register here and receive up to $30,000 bonus if you sign up with my link. So basically what we need to do, we go here, we start to draw some lines. Here we can see, let me draw the lines and then I'll explain you what I'm gonna do. Let me draw this online. So as you can see, I draw these two lines in this support. Let me draw another one here because I see another one. Okay, so basically here we draw support and resistance. Okay, this is a support and this is a resistance. Why we call support and resistance? Because these are, we can define as borders that when the price reach a certain level once, it will get a huge impact. So it's the area where the price it moves more, because as you can see, it went up till here, then it bounced, then it went down until here, then it tried to go up again, but then what happened? It bounced here once again. So basically this is a very important support that doesn't make the price fall down. Okay, but there are some cases, for example, if a price usually it touch 3 times, it most very likely that it will go in the opposite direction. So for example, I make you a very quite easy example. I'm considering to enter in a short position after this middle line. It will touch again, because I believe that this one was the first touch, this one was the second touch, and if I will see another touch around this area or even around this area, I don't know yet, I will open a short. So let's see how it continued to go. It's going down, it went up, it went up. So from here I can consider to open a short position, and in fact we will open our short position. We will open from here with a stop loss just above the last candle narrow, and we go down until this is what I believe it's another excellent support. So what is gonna happen now? What I believe that is gonna happen? Basically, I told you that after we see 3 touches, this is not a full touch, but I will consider as it is because it's very nearby the average level. Okay, so after I see the 3 times that the price tried to pass above to break this resistance, because now we are below, so we will identify this line as resistance, it's very likely that the price start to fall. In fact, let's see. As you can see, we had another touch here, but we didn't reach our stop loss, and now it's going down. It's continuing to go down. and it smashed our take profit. I even could have lived that trade more, I will make more money, but as you can see already with a 1 to 3 risk reward, it's a perfect strategy because you just need to win 25 trades over 100 trades. But this is another video that I will do soon, I will release soon, so I invite you again to subscribe to my channel and like this video for be always update about the new videos that I will do, because the next one will be about the risk management and how much you should earn and how much you should afford to lose in a single trade. So guys, this strategy, it's very simple, and also if you are not yet an expert to identify the support, the demand, but also wants to start to trade, it's easy. You will find the link in our description for go on cryptosniperofficial.com. From here you will be able to create an account on Bybit. So after you sign up on Bybit, you will be able to follow our trades 100% automatically, which means that you just need to sign up on Bybit, and after you will be registered on Bybit, you just need to contact me, and I will send you the link for follow my profile on Bybit 100% automatically and 100% free. So guys, I hope you understood this strategy. Let me know in the comment what you think about it, and most of all, don't forget to smash the like button of this video once again. That's it for today. See you in the next video. Ciao.